Go Jays! We love you! Go
There you go. From hard roll, let's go to the hard girls. So we gotta go. You're like, why is the hard girls so hot?
Just tayo, marunong ka naman pala.
Gavin Marcet
Narinig po tayo.
and Gretchen. Oh, hello. How are you doing?
Sabihin na lang natin kung sino yun.
We've been riding for a long time. We all know that. What's the first thing that got your attention with electricity? You saw it, right? When you're riding inside and you're going in circles, what was the first impression?
Sino yung sasalita?
Gabby Merson.
Ah, okay.
Did you ever, Gretchen, you know, we know that you are designing thing and hardcore and all that, but now you're behind the electricity, okay? This is the first time behind a ride like this?
Ay, huwag ka kumaway, huwag ka kakaway, magpupitawan. Sorry. Nagkamali ako, napakaway pa ako. Oh!